All right, we've learned that there is nothing's for free, even borrowing money, and borrowing money costs money. You have to pay on loans a certain percentage that we call an interest rate. And we can actually calculate simple interest not only on loan rates, but also if we have money in a savings account and we're actually getting a return, we're earning money from allowing them to use our money to lend to other people. So in this case, it says, what is the amount of interest on a principal of 1,475, so that's the amount that we start with, invested at a rate of 3%, that's the rate it's going up yearly, for 7 years. Well, we have a formula for that and a little triangle to help you to remember how these things are related. Interest equals principal times rate times time, because you're doing 33% of this item and you're doing it over 7 years. So you're multiplying all these numbers together. In this triangle, if you're trying to, you can solve for any of these variables, honestly. Interest can be found by being divided by these numbers, or these numbers can multiply up to get the interest. So in this case, we have interest equals PRT. So we're just going to replace. We don't know what the interest is. Principal, $1,475 times 3%. Now, of course, we need to change that to a decimal, so we're going to move that over twice, 0.03, times time, 7 years, 7. We're going by years. So if it's 7.5 years, you would have to do 7.5. You would kind of have to figure out if it was 7 years and 3 months, you'd have to divide 3 divided by 12 to figure out what percentage of the year that those couple of months were. But in this case, it's even. It's an even 7 years. And we go ahead and multiply these numbers. So 1,475 times 0.03, that gives you 3% of 1,475. And then we're going to times it over the 7 years. So by the end of the 7 years, there will be $309.75 in simple interest earned, really, because this is an investment that's being earned.